Today I will restore this Barbie neck. For that I will need epoxy. We cut 2 parts of epoxy the same size and put this together. When this is all bent in one single part with the same color, we take a little, the right size, to restore the neck and put it here. Just use something to bend this in the right form. We can put a little more because after it dry we can sand this until it is the right side for the neck. Okay, just put something more there. And we always sand this with paper sand before, or some nail sands will do the job too. Okay, let's put this, make sure it is okay. And this is epoxy, so this will need to dry. We'll wait a few hours. We will wait a few hours, let it dry, and then we will sand this. And after sand, we will paint, and we will have a new neck for Barbie doll. Now it's good to put the holder of the heads inside the hole before it dries completely. Okay, the holder is inside, and now we will wait a few hours for it to dry. So I let it dry from one day for the other in the night, and now I will sand it with sandpaper. I just sand it until this is good. I sanded it until this is perfect, soft, and now I will prepare the paint to dye it with acrylic paint. Okay, I will use acrylic paint, and we'll need to mix it until we find a similar color. This is too light, so we will try with a little bit of this, using a wood stick. a little bit of red too. A little bit of yellow. This yellow isn't open yet. Now we can see that the color is similar, and we will paint it. Okay, we will let it dry a few hours. Now this dried for 6 hours, and we can put the head. And there it is, a perfect new neck for Barbie.